Getting ready is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let us get ready to go someplace new. Hello there. It is I, your furry and adorable friend Grover, here to help you get ready to go someplace new. Okay, so here's something fun we can do. When you are ready to go someplace new, you can start by hopping in place like a little bunny. Yeah, it is true. This gets our bodies ready to move. So let us try hopping like little bunnies. Come on. Or, I suppose you could, of course, stomp like an elephant. This is also an option. Let us get ready to go someplace new by stomping like an elephant. Come on, let us try together. Now, how about we try flapping our arms like wings and pretending to fly like cute little butterflies? Or, what if we walked on our tippy toes like tigers? Let me hear your quiet tiger toes. Oh, those are some very quiet toes. Or, and this is a wild one, we could just walk how adorable little monsters walk. Come on, let's walk. Oh, sounds like you are ready with your walking feet. Let us go then.